Hello and welcome to your second Roblox lesson. In this lesson we're just going to be basically developing a bit more on this on-touch thing. We're going to make it so it would actually work in a real kind of online Roblox situation. Alright, so the first thing I've done is, you'll notice the script, it used to be up here in Workspace. Thanks to a YouTube user, I can't remember the name right now, commenting on my last video, I now know I'm supposed to have this in Brick. So I'm sorry for that, guys. Drag it into Brick, so we should now have script in Brick. Double click it to view it, like that. And because the script's now inside Brick, we can say Brick equals script.parent instead of saying, oh, go to Workspace, blah 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 blah, find Brick. So we didn't really need to rename it, but what's done is done. So variable Brick is the parent of the script, which happens to be the little block. We still got this on-touch stuff, and now this is where it changes. So in the on-touch function, just to tell you, you're going to need to probably know some Lua already. My Lua lessons, my video ones and my text ones should suffice. So we're just going to have a P is game.players get children. So that's an array. It basically gets everything which is in game.players, which is surprisingly all the players. And then we have a for loop, so I is 1, so that's kind of our counting variable. And then our array P, so basically, I is 1, we do this little P thing, as we do for for loops, and then we have Pi, so the ith, if I can say that, the ith thing of P, so basically, if I was 1, as it will be in the first loop, then it goes to the first thing in P, the array P, and then we say dot character, because remember this is going to be a player, so it's going to be the player, which comes out of the array, dot character, because we have to refer to it slightly differently now, then dot humanoid dot health equals 0. So it's pretty simple. It sets the player's health to 0. It then waits 1 second, and then obviously it's going to do the for loop again and again and again until it's gone through all the players in the map. Now, what you'll notice is we haven't got this player blah 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 thing. This is basically because where we put player in before, it's actually a username. So when we were going tools, solo mode test, just up here we click tools test and we click play solo. What this was doing is it was basically creating a guest account with a username of player, which is why it worked. But this time it's actually going to find our username for us, as well as everyone on the map, and it's going to set their health to 0, 1 second at a time. So we can go do it, wait a second, do it, wait a second, blah blah blah. And this is only if we touch the brick. So let's just save that. Remember it's in Brick. We can go back to our thing, click tools, test, and play solo. Or you can test this online, it will also work. Like the last one. So here's our little character. Just wait for it to load up. Okay, here they are. We can move around a bit. Oh, here's the brick. Let's touch it. Boom, we're dead. And if there was anyone else on the map, they would be dead too right now. Let's just try that one more time, so I can show you it wasn't some kind of fluke. Boom, there we go, we're gone. So it's pretty much quite a basic script, but what did I do there? Script? I meant script. It's quite a basic script, but, well, actually it's quite advanced, as in with all the for loop and stuff if you don't know Lua. But it's pretty basic as in what it does. It just kills everyone. So we got an array, set to the players. While there's still players left to do, set the player's health to 0 and wait 1. And this is all when the brick variable, which is script.parent, because the script is inside Brick, is touched. And we learnt this on touch thing last lesson. Okay, so that's the end of this lesson. Again, it's pretty simple and quite similar to last lesson, but this is more advanced, and we're actually doing something now which we could put online into a proper kind of Roblox situation. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.